Alright, this is Myron and Jeff with BioGreen, and just got a new NPR spray truck. Want to show it to everybody. If you notice, there's plenty of storage in there. This is a 5-box truck from Real Fleet Solutions. And plenty of storage. The back is all going to be wrapped, but that's all enclosed. Nice spreader rack or tow hitch on the bottom. The reason why there's two tow hitches, you got one right in the middle, it's a standard tow hitch, but the other one is to put a big Z-spray spreader rack on the back if you decide to do one. And in the cabinet here we have 2 drop tanks, 50-gallon for the shrubs and 100-gallon for the lawn. Nice push spreader rack. It'll fit a standard Lesco or Spiker spreader. 8 horsepower Honda with a through shaft that is pushing a Kappa 55 for the lawn, and way back there is a Kappa 40 for the shrub side. That's simultaneously, since there's a through shaft, both pumps are running at the same time. And Jeff is showing where the little fill port is for both the drop tanks. Little fill valves. And I'm kind of running out of room on this side, but here's the passenger side. We have stacked hose reels for the shrubs and the lawn, and we decided to use 400 feet of 3/8 hose instead of your standard 300 feet of 1/2 inch. I just rather have the length and crank the pressure up and get plenty of volume out, even using the 3/8 hose. And then finally, more cabinet storage on this side, and a triple backpack sprayer rack, fresh water spigot, and there is the fill port using a standard fire hose going up to the top with a one-way valve, check valve, backflow preventer. And that is the nuts and bolts of the new truck.